Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be doing this nice fun big curly hairstyle. So all you want is a curling tongue, some clips or bobby pins, a hairbrush, a comb. I like to use a paddle brush and a big tube comb, and some serum, and of course hairspray. I'm not going to show you my hairspray because it's really cheap and nasty stuff. I don't want to promote it out to anyone. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and ignore my makeup for this last bit. I'm in the middle of doing a TikTok, so it might be a little bit too dramatic on the screen. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.